Hello guys and welcome back to GhostTech. Today we will learn about searching, viewing and sorting imported media files. So, here on the search bar, you can easily search for your media you want. Up here, you can filter your medias by videos, audios, images and more. On 3 dots here, you have viewing option. You can change your media's view, like list or thumbnails. Then you have sort by, name, duration, type and more. Then you have group by, type, date created, camera name, duration and more. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.